cái dòng cây cỏ ăn trái cây được rất là nhiều.
Hello,
Just,
Dang.
hello. Just a minute.
Okay.
Okay, come back.
Okay, so let's begin your exam.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so we are now in task number 5. Answer the question.
Okay.
Okay, so you have to answer in longer sentence, Dang, and in complete answer 2. So number 1, do you like sweets or chocolates?
Yes.
What do you like, sweets or chocolates?
Sweet.
Okay, so why do you like sweets?
I think I love this because it's tasty.
Again,
Because it's tasty.
it's tasty.
Yes.
Okay, so what kind of sweet is your favorite to eat?
It's fruit.
Fruit, okay. So you like eating fruit because it's tasty, right? And give me an example of a fruit that you like.
Watermelon. Pineapple. Mm, many.
Many, okay. Next question. Do people in your country walk a lot?
I think people work a lot is elderly people.
Okay, so all right. So do you think in your opinion, Dang, how do people in Vietnam go to work? Do they ride a car? Do they ride a bus? Or do they
Uh,
walk?
um, I think I think people in my country go go by motorbike.
Mm-hmm. By motorbike. So it means there's a lot of motorcycle in Vietnam.
My mother and my father usually to usually go by go to the work
Mm-hmm.
by by motorbike and I go to school by bicycle.
By bicycle.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, so question number 3. Do you think walking in the countryside is better than walking in the city? And why?
Because in the city it's not uh, is mm, just a minute.
Okay.
Um, I think working in the countryside is better than cooking in the city because in the countryside is not polluted then is not polluted then city and yes, it's not polluted.
It's not polluted, right? It's not polluted. That's why you wanted to. It's better to walk in the countryside than in a city.
Yeah,
Okay, so question number 4. How often do you take buses?
I think I uh one more in month.
Again, one.
One more in the month.
Okay, so you take a bus once a month.
Yes, one more.
Once a month. Okay. Now, what kind of transport do you like to use?
More.
What kind of transport do you like to use?
Just a minute. Is mm, mm, I fly truck.
You want to drive a truck?
It's train.
A train. Oh, why? Why train?
Uh,
Why do you like to use or to ride a train?
because the train can transport more every transport train in the month.
Okay, because train can carry a lot of people. So that's why you like it.
Yes.
Okay. So number 6. Task number 6. Talk about your favorite transport. So what is your favorite kind of transport?
My favorite transport is train
Train, okay, because
it carries most the it's more carry than
it's more,
it's more long.
it's more long, okay.
I usually watch train transport. I usually watch train transport is twice a week.
You use train transportation thrice a week?
Yes.
Where do you go?
I think in the station.
Okay, you go in the station and then, yeah, where do you go? Why do you have to ride a train?
Because a train Can um can drink both, then then mm, then cycle.
Okay. All right, so that is the end of your test number 1. Okay, Dan?
It's easy.
Really? Okay, now let's continue, okay? I will give you your test number 2 tonight also. All right, Dan? Oh, wait for me. I will open it. Okay, let's begin your test number 2. Okay, Dan? So let's begin with task number 1. Choose the best answer. So you have to listen first before you answer. Okay, Dan?
Yes.
Okay, wait a minute.
This recording is from the British Council.
Hello, Geno's.
Hi, can I book a table for tomorrow night, please?
How many people is it for?
4.
And what time would you like?
About 8. 8:30 maybe?
Let's see. We're pretty busy tomorrow, so I can do 7:30 or 9.
Oh. Okay then. 7:30, please.
What name is it?
Jamie.
J-A...
M-I-E.
Okay, so that's a table for 4 at 7:30 tomorrow evening.
Great. Thanks. Bye.
Bye. Hello, Geno's.
Hi. I called earlier to book a table for 4, and I was wondering if I can make it for 6 instead.
What name was it?
It's Jamie.
Table for 4 at 7:30. So you want to change it to 6 o'clock?
No, sorry. Can I make it for 6 people?
Oh, I see. Sorry. That shouldn't be a problem. I can move you to a bigger table, but it will be near the kitchen. Is that okay?
No problem. Is it possible to change the time as well? Make it a little bit later?
Yeah, we can. Is 8 okay for you?
Perfect. Thanks.
Lovely. See you tomorrow then.
Thanks. Bye.
Thanks. Ciao.
Okay, so now let's have some answers here. Number 1, Dan. When
One
is
more,
the
one more.
table? One more?
One more. Yes.
Okay.
This recording is from the British Council.
Hello, Geno's.
Hi. Can I book a table for tomorrow night, please?
How many people is it for?
4.
And what time would you like?
About 8. 8:30 maybe?
Let's see. We're pretty busy tomorrow, so I can do 7:30 or 9.
Oh. Okay then. 7:30, please.
What name is it?
Jamie.
J-A...
M-I-E.
Okay, so that's a table for 4 at 7:30 tomorrow evening.
Great. Thanks. Bye.
Bye. Hello, Geno's.
Hi.
Okay. So question number 1, Dan. When is the table booked for?
It's C, tomorrow night.
Okay, wait a minute. I will write it. Okay, number 2. When the woman says, how about 8:30, what does she mean?
At 8 o'clock. 8.
Number 3. What time is the first booking?
9 C.
Number 4. How do you spell the person's name?
It's B, Jenny.
Number 5. Where will the table be now?
8 by the door.
Last one. What time is the new booking?
7:30 B.
Letter?
B.
Okay, so now let's go to
This
task
recording
number 2. Task number 2, Dan. Listen and write T for true or F for false, okay?
Okay.
My presentation is about how you can use color coding to organize your homework. To start, you need a few things from the stationery shop. This photo shows you the things I use. They aren't expensive, they're all cheap. I've got colored pens and pencils, sticky notes, page markers, glue and folders. First, I choose a different color for each school subject. The color I choose has to be easy to remember, so I make sure it means something to me. Maths is green because my ruler is green. PE is yellow because my trainers are yellow. Here is a photo of my folders. I use the cheapest kind and I add coloured sticky notes to the top and to the front. I keep all my notes inside the different folders. This is a photo of some more sticky notes. I wrote them in the library when I was studying. The blue notes are for history. My history teacher has got a blue car. The black notes are for geography. One day I want to visit the Black Sea. This photo shows the pages I need to read for homework. I use 2 coloured page markers to mark where it starts and ends. Those blue ones mark the pages I need to read for history. Finally, this last photo shows my wall calendar. This green star shows I have a maths test on Friday. This pink circle shows I've got French homework for Monday. It's pink because pink is rose in French. And the rose is my favourite flower. Has anyone got any questions?
Okay, so do you know now the answer, Dang? You know the answer now, or do you want to listen one more time?
Good, okay, I can.
You can
answer.
you can answer now?
Yes.
Okay, wait. So number 1, you need to buy some stationery to organize your homework like this. True or false?
True.
Number 2, the things you need are not cheap.
False.
Number 3, the color you choose should mean something to you.
4.
4, Piggy is yellow because she doesn't like yellow.
True.
Next, number 5, she keeps all her notes in the same folder. Next, number 6, she uses red for geography notes.
True.
7, she uses flags to mark pages she has to read.
Four.
And last one, number 8, when she thinks of French, she thinks of her favorite animal.
Phone.
Okay. Okay, so now Dan, let's go to task number 3. Choose the best answer. Okay, so you have to base your answer from the chart on the right side of the screen.
Okay.
All right, so question number 1, Dan, can you get on the flight to Chennai?
Just a minute. Terminal. Okay.
Okay, so number 1 question, Dan. Can you get on the flight to Chennai?
Okay. Can you get on the flight? Is let
Letter,
oh yes,
letter.
A.
Number 2, can you get on the flight to LA?
C. If you are weak.
Next one, when is the flight to Beijing? When is the flight to Beijing?
11, 12.
What letter?
Letter B.
Okay, number 4. Where is the flight to Seoul?
C. Gate 25.
Okay. Number 5 question. When is the flight to Kuala Lumpur? Again, when is the flight to Kuala Lumpur?
Letter C.
Letter.
C.
Next one. Which flight left from gate 34?
Letter A. Flight to Buenos Aires.
Buenos Aires. Okay, 7. When is the flight to Moscow? When is the flight to Moscow?
B.
Okay, number 8. Where is the flight to Los Angeles?
A. Gate 5.
Okay. Okay, well, anyway, Dan, we don't have enough time to continue this exam. So let's continue this exam again, Dan, on Tuesday, okay?
Okay.
All right. Okay, Dan, good night for now. See you again on Tuesday.
Yes, we would too.
Okay, good night.